Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a common tech nightmare: accidentally emptying your recycle bin and losing important files. Don't panic. I'm here to guide you through restoring those files step by step. This tutorial is perfect for Windows users, and we'll touch on some potential updates for 2025 that might make this even easier. So, let's dive in. First things first, if you've just emptied the recycle bin, act quickly because the files might still be recoverable. The most straightforward method is using Windows built-in tools. Start by opening the Start menu and searching for System Restore. This feature lets you revert your system to a previous state, which could bring back your deleted files. Make sure you have a restore point created before the deletion. It's like a safety net for your data. If System Restore doesn't work, try the Backup and Restore feature. Go to Settings, then Update and Security, and look for backup options. If you've set up a backup previously, you can restore files from there. For 2025, Windows might introduce enhanced recovery tools, possibly with AI-assisted file detection, so keep an eye out for updates. Another reliable option is third-party software. Programs like Raycuva or EasyUS Data Recovery Wizard are fantastic for scanning your hard drive and recovering emptied recycle bin files. Download one from a trusted source, install it, and follow the on-screen instructions to scan and restore your data. Remember, always scan for free first to see what can be recovered before committing to any paid features. A few tips to avoid this in the future. Regularly back up your files to an external drive or cloud service, and double-check before emptying the recycle bin. If you're dealing with sensitive data, consider encryption tools. There you have it. Restoring your recycle bin files doesn't have to be a disaster. Give these steps a try, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.